Good morning. Today's lesson is about simplifying radicals, and the focus is going to be about cube root with variables. Let's have this first example. What is the simplified form of cube root of 24x raised to 6 y raised to 9? So first, let's focus our attention on the number 24, and we need to find the greatest perfect cube factor of 24. That means from this list, and that is, that's positive 8. So meaning that 24 can be expressed as 8 times 3. Now with that, x raised to 6, I'm not gonna factor that out because 6 is already divisible by 3. So I'm gonna keep it. Y raised to 9 as well. It's divisible by 3. I'm talking about the exponent. So now what is the cube root of 8 times 3 times x raised to 6 times y raised to 9? So we all know that the cube root of 8 is positive 2. So that's 2. Cube root of x raised to 6, we simply divide that exponent by 3 because the index is 3. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2, which means the cube root of x raised to 6 is equal to x squared. Finally, y raised to 9, divide that 9 by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So this is y raised to 3, cross out y raised to 9. So the final answer is going to be 2x squared y raised to 3 cube root of positive 3. Alright, let's go to the next example. Here we have 1458 a raised to 8, b raised to 13, and c squared. So first, we need to find the greatest perfect square factor of 1458 from this list again. Yep, that is right. It's 729. So meaning we can rewrite 1458 as 729 times 2. Now with that 8 raised to 8, I'm going to factorize that coefficient into a raised to 6 times a because I want the exponent to be I want the exponent to be that's divisible by 3. Okay, so this is times b raised to 12 times b and then the c squared. All right. So cube root of 729 is 9. Cube root of a raised to 6 is a squared because we will just divide the exponent by 3 because the index is 3. B raised to 12 is cube root of that is b raised to 4. All right. And that leaves us with 2a squared b c squared. And this is our final answer. All right, let's go to the last example. 108. So what is the greatest perfect square factor of 108? I'm going to give you time to think about that. That is correct. It's 27. So meaning we can rewrite that 108 as 27 times 4, and that x raised to 10 is x raised to 9 times x. That y raised to 11 is y raised to 9 times y squared. And of course, the z is z raised to 3 times z equals cube root of 27 is positive 3. It's here. Cube root of x raised to 9 is x raised to 3. Cube root of y raised to 9 is y raised to 3. Cube root of z raised to 3 is z. And that gives us only 4xy squared z. Now, but we need to multiply this. So 7 times 3 is 21. X squared times x raised to 3 is x raised to 5. We will add the exponents. Y times y raised to 3 is y raised to 4. and of course the z. And just rewrite that radical for x, y square, z. There you go. That's how we simplify radicals having an index that is 3. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.